Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. We also do a lot of videos designed to educate our viewing public and our potential client base, as well as our clients. So please subscribe to our channel. We had a question today that we want to give some attention to. Does a teenager have the right to choose not to see a parent, even if they have custody or joint custody or one way or another? And the answer is, assuming that the teenager is a minor, it's really not up to the teenager to make that decision. If the law is working perfectly, the court makes a decision. The parents have to encourage that parenting time. The child's got to go. If the child decides, I don't want to go with mom anymore, just don't want to, then it's not up to really the father to say you don't have to go anymore. What should happen is an appropriate motion should be filed. This should be brought to the court's attention, and the court will decide whether or not that kid goes or doesn't go. In most cases, you got to realize one thing. When the kids are littler, the parents play more of a role of importance in the life of the child. As these kids become teenagers, their friends are more important than their fathers or their mothers anyway. I mean, you could force a kid to have dinner with you, but that kid won't be very pleasant company. At some point in time, despite the encouragement of both parents, sometimes the kids just aren't interested. They'd rather hang out with their friends. So you got some options. You could try to be creative about it. You could say, okay, you want to hang out with your friend? Why don't we all three go out to dinner? Why don't the four of us sketch? I'll buy dinner on all of you. You can hang out. We can all sort of accomplish the same thing. You can do that. You can work out special plans. Maybe you got to plan it more in advance. You got to find out what the kid has going on so that you can make up the time perhaps at another time that's more convenient. As the kids get into high school and stuff like that, certain things become socially very important for them, and they don't want the parenting time to interfere with that. So you can take this approach. What's going on is you're not seeing your kid because mom is interfering with that process, because the other parent, for example, is discouraging the parenting time and saying, oh, you don't want to go, you don't have to go. Don't worry about it, you don't have to go. If that's what's going on, you should be contacting your lawyer, and he or she should file an appropriate motion to get to court to hold the other person in contempt, because they have a duty to encourage the parenting time. They have a duty to encourage the relationship with the other parent. And if they're not doing that, the court needs to know about it, and the court can take some action. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.